Okay, design build, again, just trying to show design bid build and design build. Again, what does this slide help bring to your attention? Time savings. How much time savings? Depends. We're government. Everything depends, right? So it depends upon your criteria you put in the plans. If you want it, you got to ask for it. If it's important to you, you'll pay extra for it. Like the Maze Fire, one in California where the 580 tanker car wreck melded the bridge on interstate outside of Oakland. Contract was to get it open within 3 months. Contractor got paid $13 million, of which $10 million was for construction of the reconstruction of the bridge, but $3 million, basically $13 million he got paid. $3 million of it was a bonus, but $2 million of it was spent for what? What do you think was part of his $3 million bonus? $2 million of his $3 million he spent for what? Double shifting. They had an A+B emergency contract. So that's where road user costs. Anybody ever been to Oakland or Frisco? Massive traffic. That was a major freeway to freeway connector. So that's where the incentive disincentive quickly gave that contractor, by being 30 days early, he got a $3 million bonus. But again, he used $2 million of it to double shift. And we'll get into resources later on how that can affect your criteria, can affect your CE&I out in construction.